Hi, this video by needlepointers.com will show you how to knit the bamboo stitch. The bamboo stitch is an easy, elegant stitch which has a nice, firm, flat, lying finish. There are two methods to it. I'm going to show you the method I like. What you need is an even number of cast-on stitches. The first one, when I do the bamboo stitch, is I knit. Then you want yarn over, and you're going to knit the next 2 stitches. Now pass the yarn over the 2 stitches that you just knit. Okay, again yarn over, knit 2 stitches, and pass the yarn over stitch over the 2 stitches you just knitted. And you continue to do that to the end of the row until you get to the last stitch. Okay, I'm at the end of the row. This is the last stitch, and all you do is knit the last stitch. For the second row, what you would do is you would purl all the stitches, and then you would repeat the 2 rows to create the pattern and for the desired length. For written instructions on both types of how to do the bamboo stitch, both methods, and how to stitch the bamboo stitch in the round, please click the iCard or the link in the description below. This stitch is not reversible, but it does have a very interesting wrong side. The texture on it is very interesting. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we publish videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great resource for craft and hobby information. And visit our website, needlepointers.com, for free knitting projects and tutorials.